Hello again everybody. So today, arrived in the post this morning, nice Matlock 5025 padlock, 38mm aluminium. You can replace the hasp apparently. Quite a nice pleasing colour. 6 pins with security pins. Quite challenging bitting on it. All works nice and smoothly. So let's get this in the vise and give it a go. Should do nicely. Get it to focus. There we go. Now we've got a 1.2mm Mad Bob's curved tension wrench, Peterson number 7 hook, and let's start at the front here. I'm going to start with light tension. Right, 2. Try that again. There we go. 2. We've got a click and a slight movement on the core. 3. A couple of clicks. 4. We've got a click. 5 is absolutely solid. As is 6. Start. There we go. 1. That's given us a really good full set now. 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting some counter rotation. Come on. And there we go. Well, that was, oops, sorry, that was a bit easier than I expected it to be. So, let's get the camera down here. That's quite surprising considering the bitting on it. Let's see what we've got inside. All the usual stuff. What have we got in here? Right, a circle clip on the back. Excuse me. The one with the clip's going to be a pain. Come on. There we go. Right, follow up. Hopefully this one looks about the right sort of size. Pins are there. I don't think it likes that bit at the bottom of the tail. Right, let's have a shimmer around here somewhere. Never one where you want it. Right, this one's a bit grotty, but hopefully it will go in. Let's give that a try. That did it. Right, I've got anti-drill pins in there as well. It even looks like there might be a couple of steel key pins. There we go, serrated steel. Standard brass. Standard brass. Serrated steel. Serrated brass. And a serrated brass. Nothing special, a very slight bit of possibly counter milling. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, still got the shim in. We've got there standard steel, number 1. That, have a look at that in a minute. Looks a bit T-pinish. That's a spool. Another spool. Another spool, and another spool. If we just look at the springs as well, we have a mixture. We've got a copper, steel, copper, copper, and 2 copper ones at the back. So we've got a steel spring in there mixed in. So let's see if we can get this one on the background. It does look like it's very slightly narrowed top and bottom. That was the top pin in number 2. Number 1's definitely standard. So let's have a close up of these pins. That's the one with narrowed top and bottom. The rest of them are all spools on the top. We have 3 serrated, 3 standards on the bottom. So actually quite a nice set of pins. Not sure why it opened so quickly. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.